Okay, magandang gabi po SBC Philippines. Ako po si Nolo Rebel, ang educator. Welcome po dito sa ating General Assembly SBC online meeting. I am calling for a General Assembly meeting. Mga kaibigan, tayo po ay tumugon sa panawagan ng ating mga educator na kailangan na ma-unlock or ma-lock na natin yung ating 10,000 members active SBC at test before April 30 of 2026. So, ang ating mga kasamahan ng mga educator, bawat bansa ay gumagawa sila ng mga meetings, mga kaparahanan kung paano nila magampanan, no? Para sila makakontribute, makatulong para ma-unlock na nga itong 10,000 o ang kulang na lang sa 2,000 para mapuno natin yan. Ang meeting ito ay itutuon din natin doon. Tutugon din tayo sa panawagan ng ating mga educator na magkaroon tayo ng ah, mga ah, mga plano kung ano ang pwede nating gagawin dito para tayo po ay makaambag. Ang bansang Pilipinas sa SBC ay makaambag doon sa pagdagdag ng bilang ng mga active ng ating community. So, lagi natin tandaan mga kaibigan, ang kailangan lang natin ngayon so far is 2,000 out of 10,000. Bagamat tama, meron na tayong 12,000 naabot na natin yan nakaraan last year October ay July 2025. Subalit nagkaroon ng ilang problema, ang kailangan talaga natin para matuloy itong ating private funding is meron tayong 10,000 active and verified member also, no? Na kung saan itong 10,000 ito ay ma-educate po natin, no? Dito sa ating academy at hanggang sa dulo, no? Makapirma doon sa ating gagawing PMA na yun, sukatan kapag nagawa na natin to at tuloy-tuloy, consistent, no? 3 months to 6 months from April na matuloy natin to, that's the time na magkaroon na rin tayo ng private funding system. Kaibigan. So, ano ba mga pamamaraan na pwede natin gawin? No, kanina before bago natin to gagawin yung ating recording, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng discussion. So, ang i-discuss ko lang sa inyo ay yung resulta ng ating mga discussions kanina. So, number one, mga pamamaraan, mga kaibigan, SPCians, is yung kung sino sa inyo na isa lang yung inyong binabayaran. No? No, baka po pwede na kumuha tayo ng isa before April na mag-invite na new members at para magiging parte ng ating dagdag pagdami ng ating community, magiging part doon sa 10,000. At alam mo maganda dito, kanina dalawa no, sa ating mga kasamahan na nagsalita na one from Mindanao, ay the two is from Mindanao, right? Sambuanga, si Ma'am Los, sabi niya yung dalawa niya, possible na ma-activate niya by March. So malaking balita yan. At yung isang taga Mindanao ulit, si Ma'am Rosalinda Ruiz, I think, no? Sabi niya, mayroon din siyang dalawa din na i-activate niya by March. At yung iba dito, no, taga Cavite, taga Manila, may tag isa-isa. So, malaking bagay. Hindi tayo kukuha ng ilan bang target. Ang point natin dito, mayroong tumugon sa ating panawagan. At makikita naman natin yan kapag ah, gagawin nila kasi ang bagsak naman talaga dun sa akin because isa ako dun sa magbabayad ng program fee ng kanilang subscription fee kung meron naman silang may invite, right? Okay, isa yan sa pamaraan. Pangalawa po, ini-encourage pa rin natin yung mga kasamahan natin na marami nang nababayar like Philmari Ponte, 10 na yung minimaintain yan. Si Ate Lot, mahigit 10. Sino pa ba? Si Ate Ima, marami yan. Ako, mayroon din ako. So, kung sino man sa atin ang may kakayahan pa, na pwede pa mag-invite ng isa, huwag hadlangan. Go ahead. Ako I had target 3. Five. Five target na mga tao, mga new members. I'm looking forward na bago mag-April 30 ay mapasali ko sila sa ating community. So yan yung pangalawa kung may kakayahan na kung sinong pinakamarami na nag-participate na ng ating subscription fee. Well, normally family gathering ito. So kung you can add one, so it's better. At yung pangatlo siguro, looking forward kung paano natin balikan yung mga inactive member of SBC, balikan natin at ito yung ang isa sa mga paraan natin kailangan makausap isa-isa at maybe ang pinaka uh, solution dito ay yung we can invite for a face-to-face meeting and then uh, let's discuss the SBC Academy, no? Yung week 1 to week 26 or anong week man. At we're looking forward na through that ay muling mabuksan yung kanilang kaisipan no? To be part and active at yun ang magiging ganyo na magiging bahagi sila uli dito sa ating binubuong 10,000 actively na before April. At itong meeting na ito yung katugunan mga kaibigan doon sa panawagan ng ating mga educator na bawat bansa ay magkaroon ng mga kanya-kanya mga pamamaraan, diskarte kung paano natin mapuno yung itong 10,000, ma-unlock natin yung 10,000. Okay, so yan po yung ating project dito. Uulitin ko, we get the one person get one person. Those marami na you get another one person. At kung meron kayong extra income or extra money, you need to find ways again para doon sa mga other inactive SBC na pwede pa nating balikan. Now, before we end of this recorded Zoom meeting, mga kaibigan, I would like to emphasize na wala ho sa problema sa atin yung delay. No? Ito yung lagi nating tatandaan. Ang pagde-delay po ng ating project ay wala sa atin ang problema. Because we're already uh, gumagawa, no, tinutugunan all the project of SBC so far, tinutugunan po natin yung RPR program fee, we are trying to invite other people, so wala ko sa atin. The only maybe yung hadlang kung bakit hindi natin ito nabuo-buo sa ngayon dahil ito sa ating mga kakilala, kaibigan na patuloy na tayong sinisiraan talaga, no? Yun yung delay ng pag-delay nila, pero again, hindi yun magiging rason para tumigil din tayo. No, ngayon in our SBC program through the SBC ito, mayroon tayong new vision platform, how to invite new people, at isa na dito yung how the value of the asset that we have here in SBC, malaking bagay yan at maintindihan nila. We find the right person, those persons who have dreams to, para mabago yung kanilang, not only yung buhay nila, kundi makakontribute sila sa bago ng mundo. Yung kung anong kaisipan mayroon tayo, yung kaisipan din dapat hahanapin doon sa mga new prospects po natin. And that is the mga, I think, pamamaraan na pwede natin magawa to be unlock or to be lock our 10,000 active member before April 30. Okay, so again, maraming salamat. Ako po ang inyong educator at maraming salamat sa inyong pagtugon. At hihintayin ko na lang ang inyong report. Bawat isa sa inyo na padala sa akin ng payment ng mga bago. But before that, siguro next meeting po natin mga kaibigan, ay ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano ba kayo mag-register. Diba? So, stay tuned lang kayo. After this record, huwag kayong umalis kasi ang next natin gagawin, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano po kayo magpa-register. Or you stay there. Go to that next. So, since we have a targeting for new persons, nais kong i-share sa inyo how to invite people, how to use your link to invite other people. Okay, so let us share. I want to share with yung aking accounts, SBC accounts. Okay, so share. Okay, so all you have to do is, of course, you have to log in our SBC account. You have to log in there, and then also, if you log in, go to the, I think that engagement training. Hanapin natin. Nasa ba? Training, engagement tools. Yeah, in the engagement tools, you can find the engagement tool. You can see the referral link. So, log into your account and then go to the engagement tools and click the referral link. So, to get your referral. So, you have two referral here. The first one is the using referral if you invite individual person. The second is if you have inviting a merchant. But since we have now a program of merchants now, you can use this first link. You can click this, copy this link, and put it into your messenger. Now, put it into your messenger, and then send it to your prospects. And tell your prospect to get a register. So all you have to do, like this one, copy this link, and go to another tab. For example, put the link, paste. Okay, and let me see how to register. Okay, so this is the way to register. All you have to do, put here the email, active email, the new email that you created. Or you have to create email if your prospecting is not, you don't know how to create email, so you can create email in behalf of your prospect persons. And also to be sure if your prospect is the know how to also registered, it's maybe you can register too. You have to ask to your prospects the details so that you can register your prospect. So all you have to do first, like what I said, you have to get email address, put the email address here, log in, and see to it if the address is there, put, yeah, click the verify email. Click on that. If you click, you can see this. And before you fill up the names, you can check first if the sponsor is you. Because sometimes you can do that, the sponsor's admin, so you have to make it sure that this is your sponsor, like this one. Your sponsor is me, no need to Rabel. So you can to make sure in this. If you see that, it is your name already there, you can see your name there, so you can fill out the names or the details names of your prospects. Full name, very important. Create username, cell phone number, of course, country, Philippines. You have to create password, confirm the password, and click this small boxes, disagree, and submit. Then after that, you can log in using the username or the email address and the password. Then the next step you can give it to your prospect their account. You can tell friend, this is your account, or you can log in. And that's what is the beauty of our dashboard, the beauty of our this one. And of course, not only that, no, you can also um promote what the program that we have, especially the blogs, like the education that we have, no. SBC Edu, they have also about the importance of we have SBCG, like that. No, kailangan explain natin sa kanila yan. And of course, para ang para yung ating mga target ay uh, they can join for our academy SBC Edo, no, and they can log in always this career new account is they can subscribe using subscription and a $10 of this so-called account. And don't forget to tell that there is no such thing income here. If they're asking people income, the good income that you have is you have what is ipon in English? You have the funding. Yan, makakaipon ho tayo ng napakaraming SBC coins for now. At that coins have that's kind of coins our asset. At patuloy na tumataas ang mga operation yan. And that is a typical income, no, asset. Now, if the new member always do the part of the education, every pass of the quizzes, they receive enough number of SBC, and if they also pay constantly their program fee or so-called subscription fee, they also receive huge number of SBC until the time we can join our private funding system. Okay, so that is the yan po yung paraan kung paano po natin ma-register yung ating mga bagong prospects. Okay, so siguro dito magtatapos yung ating meeting ngayon. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo again. At sa sunod na week 27, magkita-kita ulit po tayo. At kung may mga katanungan, diyan lang kayo can be asked. At ititigilan natin yung ating recording.